The parents of a Perth baby who died from whooping cough have spoken out in the hope other young lives can be saved. Riley Hughes's parents say they thought they were being overcautious when they took him to hospital with what they thought was a minor cough.
His eyes kept searching for me, and I found that really hard, and that's something that I'll probably have with me for the rest of my life, is that I felt at that moment, I felt like I'd failed my son. Then we made one of the toughest decisions of our life, and
he passed away in our arms.
Riley's death sparked a national outcry and prompted state programs to offer pregnant women free whooping cough vaccinations.